connecting the earth to the sky. It wasn't a dazzling sight, but it was a connection. The cloth began to absorb the invisible moisture in the air, the dew, the misty process so slow, so subtle, that no one else had considered it. Drop by drop, the thread delivered moisture down the mountain, creating a tiny, damp path. The next morning, a single cloud gathered above Bobber's thread. Then another, and another. Soon, a gentle drizzle began to fall. Not a downpour, but a steady, life-giving rain that followed the path of Bobber's humble cloth down into the thirsty river. The rain didn't come from a grand display, but from the quiet, honest work of a simple, strong connection. And so, the people of Zola learned, true worth is not in the shimmering colors we display, but in the unseen strength of the threads that connect us all. Like and subscribe for more.